Here is the Honda Pilot. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the passenger side door. Now we need to open up the glove box. Whatever you have in the glove box, just take it out and set it aside. Now this dampener arm on the side, don't worry about it. What we have to do is squish the glove box in from both the sides at the same time. That will allow us to take the glove box down. So squish it in and out it comes. There are two stoppers, one on each side, which stop it from coming out. So we have to squish it in. This gives us access to the filter. Press one clip here, another clip on the other side, and now you can get this entire tray with the filter in it out, and out it comes. There you go. Now just get the filter and it comes right out. The top side of the filter is the dirty side, the bottom side is the clean side. So the way it works is outside air comes from the top, all the dirt gets trapped there, and then clean air from the bottom goes in the vehicle. So that way when you pull the filter out, all the dirt stays trapped on the filter and comes out. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And when you put it back in, note the direction of the airflow. It goes from top to bottom. I'm just going to put this old filter back in for now. I'll replace it later on. Now let's go ahead and put this whole tray with the filter in it back into the vehicle. Slide it in, make sure the direction's from top to bottom. Click it, push it over here and there, and that's good. Push the glove box in, and that's good. Let's try this out. This is working fine, and that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Thank you.